In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write above a line in Google Docs. Whether you're a student needing to format your essay just right or a professional putting together a polished report, knowing how to add and write above a line efficiently in Google Docs can be incredibly useful. Let's dive straight into the steps and make this process easy and straightforward for you. To start, you'll want to create a line to write above. This can be a simple yet effective component in Google Docs, especially when creating forms or emphasizing sections in your document. One of the easiest ways to create a line is by using the underline formatting. This can be done by either pressing Ctrl+U on Windows or CMD+U on a Mac. Once you've activated the underline feature, you'll want to start pressing the spacebar repeatedly. As you do this, you'll see a line forming on the page. This is because each space you create is underlined, resulting in a continuous line that you can write above. Next, once your line is in place, we'll move on to the part where you'll insert your text. Highlight the section of the line where you want the text to appear. This step is crucial as it determines exactly where your words will replace the line, maintaining the organization and alignment of your document. With your desired section highlighted, you're all set to enter your text. Now, simply start typing your text. As you type, you'll notice that the new text replaces the highlighted part of the line. The wonderful thing about this method is that the underline formatting remains intact, providing a neat appearance to your text and maintaining the line's visual integrity. This feature works excellently for inserting headings or special notes that need to stand out above a line within your document. A little tip here to enhance your efficiency. If you plan to use this format frequently, you might consider setting up a template for quick access, especially if you're dealing with a document that requires multiple instances of text above lines. This way, you don't have to manually create the line each time you want to use this format. In conclusion, writing above a line in Google Docs is quick and straightforward once you know how to utilize the underline feature effectively. Remember to activate the underline, space to create the line, highlight, and type away. It's a simple but powerful method to keep your documents both organized and visually appealing. Practice this a couple of times, and soon it'll become second nature. Happy writing, and we hope this tip enhances your productivity with Google Docs.